students, welcome to Maths class. In today's class, we are meeting for Mathematics Class 10th new batch for session 2022-23. So जो students इस साल क्लास 10th का एग्जाम देने जा रहे हैं वो मेरी क्लास ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. जो भी मेरी कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल्स है वो टीचमेंट ऐप पर आपको मिल जाएंगी. I am going to start this class for mathematics for part A and part B as well. We know that there are two papers. Part 1 is algebra and part 2 is geometry. So I am going to take class for part 1 and part 2 as well. Join my class. You can get all the details from Teachment app. And if you're not able to join, so you can get these videos on my channel, Vadna Online Academy on YouTube, and you can start self-study from there also after watching my mathematics video. Okay, so quickly I am going to discuss in mathematics paper what is this syllabus which you have to prepare. So part A algebra I am going to start today. So there are on 6 chapters. So first chapter is linear equation in 2 variables. Second is quadratic equations. Third is arithmetic progression. Fourth is financial planning. Fifth is probability and sixth is statistics. So today I am going to start linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in 2 variables. So first we will discuss what is linear equation. So suppose if it is 2x minus 4 equals to 0. So whenever we are writing something is equal to 0, it is a equation. It becomes an equation. So this is an equation. Now how it is linear equation? How to recognize that this is a linear equation? So for that you have to check the degree of the variable. So what is the variable here? You can find this x is the variable. So how many variables you can see here? Only one variable. And what is the degree of this variable? Degree means the power. So the power of x is 1 here. What is the degree here? 1. So whenever any equation has the variable, the degree of the variable has 1, it is a linear equation. Okay. Now, what is linear equation in 2 variables? Here you can see one variable. So if I am writing 2x plus 3y equals to 4. So here I have taken 2 variables. These are x and y. So this becomes linear equation in 2 variable. Okay. So now quickly I am going to start the chapter. The first thing, what is the first thing you have to study? So the first thing is standard form. Now what is the standard form of linear equation in 2 variable? So standard form is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is your standard form of linear equation in 2 variables. Here you can find x and y. These are the variables. But here a, b, c are real numbers and a does not equal to 0, b does not equal to 0. Now what these conditions mean, I am going to explain. Here a, b, c are real numbers, but a cannot be equal to 0. Suppose if I am putting in standard form a equal to 0. So what do we get? by plus c equals to 0. Now here it becomes linear equation in one variable. So this condition does not satisfy for 2 variable. Okay. So this is not linear equation in 2 variable. Again, if we are taking b equals to 0. So that we will check. So we will get ax plus c equals to 0. Again, this is not a linear equation in 2 variable. Okay. How? Because we have only one variable here in this equation. Right? Now, c can be 0. Yes. C can be 0. Ax, then we will get ax plus by equals to 0. When c is the constant term, so ax plus by, is it a linear equation in 2 variable? Yes. This is a linear equation in 2 variable where x and y are the 2 variables. Okay. Now we will see what is the system of linear equation in 2 variables. So system of linear equation in two variable. What is that? System of linear equation in two variables. See students, when we are taking 4x plus 3y equals to 12, suppose we have this equation, and again 6x plus y is equals to 24. If we have these two equations, so this becomes a system of linear equation. How? Because here same variable you can find xx and yy. So we can solve this because variables are same. So this becomes a system of linear equations. Okay. Now, next topic is we have to study what are the different methods to solve this kind of linear equation. Now we will see that how to solve the linear equation in two variables. There are two methods we are using. First is graphical method and second is Cramer's rules. That we have to study in this chapter. We will do it the next class. Thank you.